Hello everyone, how are you grade 6? I hope you are all doing well. Today we will continue with our online periods, and it's my pleasure for today to present our new lesson, which is my dream holiday. So let's start. Now the lesson's objectives are: you have to read today 2 short poems about dream holidays, and then you have to write a short poem about your dream holiday. Now, before we start reading the poems, let me ask you this question. When was the last time you went on a holiday or a journey? And if you could go on holiday anywhere, where would you go and why? Do you like to go or to travel around the world for shopping, or to enjoy the summer on beaches, or to visit different landscapes around the world? So what is your purpose of your holidays? Actually, my dream holiday is going to the Maldives, and one day, inshallah, it will be true. Now, let's start the first poem, and let me read it for you. I want you to follow with me, and after that, after I finish this video, please send me some voice messages or some voice messages on WhatsApp for your reading. Number 1, my dream holiday. If I could go anywhere in the whole wide world, I would travel to a tropical island by private plane. I would see shimmering white sand and giant flowers, and I would hear toucans and hummingbirds. I would touch the sphere blue ocean, and I would taste coconuts and mangoes. I would smell the warm, salty air, and then I would close my eyes and imagine all my friends working hard at school. Poem 2, my dream holiday. If I could go anywhere in the whole wide world, I would travel to Machu Picchu by mountain train. I would see the clouds and the mountains all around, and I would hear the ancient Incas laughing and singing. I would touch the statues and the old warm stones, and I would taste the cool mountain air. I would smell the mountain forest, and then I would call my best friend and send a helicopter so she could come too. So, to remind you, you know that in any poem we should have verses and lines and also rhyming words as well. But in this poem, actually, we don't have verses. We have only one verse. It has only one verse. Each poem has one verse. So I want you, after you finish the listening, I want you to write down the rhyming words for each part. Now, after you read the poems for me, I want you to go to the word study. Here in the text, in both poems, you have some words in red. And these are like an adjectives or like descriptions. So I want you to match the words in red with their descriptions or their meanings. So number 1, very very old. Number 2, the air around the sea. 3, something that has been used a lot. 4, the blue color of a precious stone or jewel. 5, something that reflects light in a beautiful day. So what is the word that gives me the meaning of, for example, very very old? Or what is the word that gives you the meaning of blue color of a precious stone or jewel? Now, I want you to go to activity number 5. Look at the verbs in blue and think about their meanings. What do they have in common? I want you now to write down the blue verbs on a piece of paper and tell me what do they mean. Okay, I think the verbs are very very easy. The verbs are see, touch, smell, taste, hear. They are all related, or they represent our what? They represent our senses. Okay, that's it now for today. Inshallah, we'll continue in another period. For question number 6 here, we don't have to do it because in order to do it, we have to be in the class. It cannot be done in a video. Now, The homework for today is page 106, 107 in your activity book. This is teacher Rana with you, and I wish you all the best, and I'm very very proud of your outstanding performance in the online learning. See you later.